This is Jensen Collins, a children's book illustrator out in Montana, and today we're going to draw a chef.
All right, to draw our chef, first we're going to draw the cake that he is baking. I'm going to use this one, and I'm going to use this brush right here, and we're going to do a rectangle and color it in. The next one up, we're going to draw another rectangle. This rectangle is going to be a little bit smaller on each side. And we're going to keep adding smaller rectangles to the top until we have enough tiers of cake. I think ours is going to have 4 today. We then want to decorate our cake. I'm going to add a lighter pink frosting to this cake. I'm going to use our marker tool. I'm going to make it bigger. Yep, I like that one. And I'm going to come down here on the edge, and where the little bit of rectangle still sticks out, we're going to follow it and make little dots. When we get to the edge of the cake, we're going to curve forward and add dots in the front of the cake. We're going to repeat that step on tier 2, 3, and 4. On the last tier, the 4th tier, we're just going to start in the back, come to the edge like we have, and we're going to make a big circle. All right, there's our cake. We're going to put it on a plate. I think it would look quite nice on a green one, so we're going to use our marker tool to put in a green plate. On this side of your cake, you're going to make a C shape. Then we're going to continue forward. This one's going to go off the page, and we're in the same spot on this side. We're going to finish it with a line, and we'll color it in. We're now going to put it on a table. So we'll grab some brown, and we'll just do a quick counter. So we'll go right about here, do a straight line there, and a straight line down, and just color that in. All right, now we've got to add our proud chef who has just finished making this cake. We're going to start with a head. So in order to make a head, we're going to do kind of a circle shape. And I'm going to give him a nose facing this way. And then chefs typically wear white. So I'm going to take some white, and right across the top of the head, I'm going to do kind of a half circle and just color that back in. Now I'm going to grab some black, make our marker quite a bit smaller. We're going to do 2 curved lines back like this. And on top of chef's head, we'll do some bouncing lines. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. We'll bring a line across the bottom of the hat. And then we'll do some vertical lines right about here for the bottom of this hat. I'm going to go back to this color and give him an ear. It's just another C shape on this side, and color it in. I'm going to go back to my black color, and add some details. So first I want to add his face. I think he is smelling his wonderful cake. So he's got a nose. We'll add a circle there. We'll add kind of a C shape here for his eye, and another C shape for the eyebrow. And then we'll put a big smile on his face with another curve this way and one more curve that way. Next, we're going to make Chef's jacket. So chef jackets typically come down in 2 straight lines like this. They have a C shape like this. I think that this chef likes to try his own cooking, so we're going to make him a little bigger. So we're going to do a big curve like this. Another big curve. We'll do another big curve on the back like that. Now, chef coats come down the side like this. We'll just draw a line, and they have 3 big buttons. Like that. Now we'll give him some legs. We're going to do 2 straight lines down, a curve, and then a C shape. And we're going to take that C shape, draw a straight line back, and draw another C shape. For his second leg, we're going to do a curved macaroni noodle shape, like this. Do a curve at the bottom. We'll do a C on this side, and a C on this side, and connect it with a straight line. He's pretty happy with his cake. So now we need to draw him some arms. I'm actually going to start his arm from here and make a big macaroni noodle shape again. I'm going to connect this with a C shape. I'm going to grab our white, and anything inside this macaroni noodle, we'll just color white. You could also use your eraser tool if you'd like. I'm going to go back to our black color, and we're going to give him a little hand. So he's going to have a C shape, and then 1, 2, 3 more. And then on his other hand, we're going to have him holding his hands together. So we're going to do a curve right here for his other hand. And you'll just see his macaroni noodle shape go this way and this way. I'm going to grab a little white to color in right here. I'm going to get the same color as his face, and I'm going to go color in these hands. I'm going to grab our black marker again, and we're just going to trace the back of his head, his ear, his forehead, his nose. He's got a very large nose. At the bottom of his nose, I'm going to add a little C shape, and then the bottom of his face as well. I'm going to give him just a little bit of hair. We can use a zigzag line on the back. We're going to color his shoes black. And then I'd like to give him some brown pants as well. I'm going to grab this black marker, and I'm going to just add some outlines to our cake as well. So we'll have one coming down the sides of our cake. And the bottom. We'll go across the top of our icing. With bouncing lines. And we'll do a C shape at the bottom of this tier, one at the bottom of this tier, and right here as well. Then we can outline our plate. And the countertop. And I'm going to add one line straight through the middle. And this will be the top of the counter, and this will be the bottom of our counter. And there you have it, a chef.